Okay, so let's answer our worksheet number 2. Okay, convert the following to, okay, number 1, let's convert it to fraction form. So here, paano nga ulit mag-convert to fraction form? Ano ba yung last digit mo? It's nasa thousands place. So here, ihiwalay ko na yung whole number. 1 over 1 and then yung digits ng iyong decimal, would be your numerator and then yung denominator mo would be the place value of the last digit here of the original decimal. This is in thousands, so over 1,000. Okay? Divisible sila by 4. Actually, by 8 kasi 56 is divisible by 8. 456 is divisible by 8. Ito, 0 yung last 3 digits, so automatically divisible by 8. Kung hindi nyo yun alam, you can review your rules of divisibility o kaya naman, cancel kayo ng paunti-unti. So this one is equal to 1 divided by 8. That would be 5, 40, 56, 7. Okay? So 57 over, what's 1,000 divided by 8? 125. Okay? How about number 2? Let's convert this to decimal, 47.03. To convert percent to decimal, multiply it by 100. O kaya naman, move the decimal places 2 units to your left. So you will have 0.4703. Okay, this is our answer for number 2. Number 3, we have convert 0.01 to decimal 2%. What will you do? This one is divide by 100. Okay, number 3, multiply it by 100 or move the decimal place 2 units to your right. So here you will have 1.2%. Okay, number 4, decimal 345 over 990. Okay. You can choose to divide the numerator 345 by 990 using long division o kaya pwedeng i-simplify mo muna. Okay, so this is divisible by 3. Actually, by 15. So, isa-isahin muna natin. Divisible by 3 yung numerator and denominator mo. That would be equal to, this is 115. Ay, hindi pala siya divisible by 15. 115, it is 990 divided by 3, that would be 330. Okay, etong dalawa, divisible by 5 pareho. So, divide natin by 5. That's equal to 23, right? 23 over 66, correct? Okay, so 23 divided by 66. Let's use long division method. Buburahin ko muna itong nasa taas. Okay, ayaw niya mabura. So, 23 divided by 6, let's write it here sa taas. Add 0. 230 divided by 66, that's approximately may tatlo ka dyan. So, 3 times 6, 8, carry 1, 3 times 3, 20. Times 3, that would be 18 plus 1, 19. Okay? Subtract 0, 2, magiging 12. 12 minus 9, that's 3. Add another 0. Ilang 66 meron sa 320? Approximately 4. Dapat less than 500. Ay, less than 5 kasi 360. So, 5 times 6, 0, carry 3. 5 times 6, 30. Parang mali. Ay, 4 lang pala. Ba't sinulat? Sabi ko nga 4. 4 times 6, that's 24. Carry 2. 4 times 6, 264. Okay, if you subtract this, makukuha mo 6 and to 46. Okay? So, ay 5, sorry. Yung 1 pala. 56. So, let's add another 0. Divide this by 66. You will get 8. Yeah, 8. So, 8 times 6, 48. Carry 4. 8 times 6, 48, 52. Okay, so yung mga ganito guys, I'm assuming kaya nyo nang i-practice on your own. So, magiging 320 ulit. So, kanina 320 din. So, we know na equal na lang yun sa 4. Okay? 4 times 66, alam natin na 264 from earlier. If we subtract that, we will go back to 56, 560 ulit. So, actually dito, meron tayong repeating decimal. Answer for number 4 would be 0.34848. Repeating yung 48 natin. Okay? How about this one? Convert number 5 to fraction form. To do that, again, titingnan natin yung decimal yung last digit natin. Okay? Our last digit here would be etong 5. Ano yung place niya? It's in tenths place. Okay? So, i-divide lang natin siya by 10 yung lahat ng digits mo. So, here we have 234.5%. Sorry. Percent pala siya. So, i-convert muna natin siya to decimal. Move it 2 units to your left. You will have 2.345. Okay? Last digit is 5 thousandths place. So, divide it by 1,000. Ignore this one. That will become common. So, 2345 divided by 1,000 divisible by 5. This one is equal to 469. 1,000 divided by 5, that would be 200, right? Okay? May common pa ba sila? Wala na. So, our final answer here would be 469 over 200. Okay? How about number 6? So, convert this one into a fraction. So, paano nga ulit kapag meron tayong repeating, non-terminating repeating decimal? Ang gagawin lang natin dito is, bilangin muna natin kung ilan yung repeating digits natin. We have 3. So, isa lang. 3 lang yung nagre-repeat na digit mo. So, let's assign x is equal to 0.8313333. Okay, paulit-ulit yan. So, again, since isang digit lang, 10 raised to n or 10 raised to 1 times x, 10x is equal to, multiply natin ito by 10, that's 8.31, then 3333. So, ito, 0 lang, 0, 0. Okay, next would be 3 minus 1, that's 2. Isa-subtract to guys, 11 minus 3, 8. 12, 4, 7. Okay? So, meron ka ngayon na 7.482. This is equal to 10x minus x, 9x. Divide both sides by 9. Guys, kaya medyo mabilis kasi ina-assume ko na inaral nyo na yung mga nakapost na lecture videos o kaya nakapanood kayo ng online lecture videos. Okay? So, x here would be this over 9. Okay? So, since may 3 decimal places ka dito sa taas, what we'll do is move this 3 units to your right and then add 3 zeros here. Okay, so we have 7482 over 900. And ito, pwede natin simplify. Divide by 2. We will get actually pwede by 4. Right? Kasi 8, ay hindi. Divide by 2 muna, para sure. We will have 3, 14, 7, 4, 1 over 4,500. Is this correct? And then, okay, divisible ba sila by 2? Hindi. How about 3? Kasi yung 4,500 divisible to by 3. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Let's check this one. 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1, that's equal to 15. So, ibig sabihin itong nasa taas, divisible din by 3. Let's divide both by 3. Okay, so this would become 1, 2, 4, 7. 1,247 over 15,000. Okay? So, ang final answer natin for number 6 would be 1,247. That's 2 over 1,500. Okay. How about number 7? Convert 2%. Okay. Pwede mong i-divide by 20 yung 263. Pero ako, mas madadalian ako if 263 over 20, gagawin ko siyang 26.3 divided by 2. Kasi, mas madali na siya for me. 3.15. Kasi half of 3 is 1.5. So, we have that. Answer for number. So, this is in decimal form. Ang hinahanap is percent. So, let's multiply this by 100. We will get 131.5%. Okay? Number 8. 7 divided by 24 lang ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, gawin natin. I know medyo nakakatamad mag-long division, pero minsan kailangan natin i-practice kasi baka nakalimutan na natin or magiging careless tayo, diba? So, 7 divided by 24. Let's add 0. So, approximately, meron kang 2, right? Kasi hindi pwedeng 3 sa sobra. So, 24, that's 48. Subtract 2, magiging itong 6. You will get 2. Add another 0. Approximately, meron ka sigurong 9. No? 9 na 24 sa 220. So, 9 times 4, 6. Carry 3. 18 plus 3, 21. Subtract this one, you will get 4. Add another 0. Meron lang isa, right? 24. The answer here is 16. Okay, add another 0. Ilan kaya? Siguro 24. 6. May 6 na 24 siya. So, 4, carry 2, 12, 1, 4, 4. Subtract 6, 16 ulit. Okay, so 16 lang rin ulit. So, dito dapat napansin nyo na since umulit na to, ulit lang yung 6. Kasi if you multiply 6 and 24, babalik ka sa 1, 4, 4, and then 16 na lang ulit yan. Okay, then so on. So, ang 666 mo dito is repeating. For number 8, the answer is 0.2916 bar. Okay? How about the number 9? So, pareho lang sa ginawa natin kanina, guys, ha? Okay. Number 9, we have 1.21444. Isa lang rin ulit ang ating repeating decimal. So, 10x ulit. 10x is equal to multiply number 9 by 10. That would be 12.14444. Okay? Subtract natin yung x is equal to the original decimal, 1.21444. Cancel lang to. 4 minus 1, that's 3. 1 minus 2, this becomes 11. 9, ito naging 1 na lang. So, 10.93. How about on this side? 10x minus x, that's 9x. Divide both sides by 9. X would be equal to this. Okay, so, ito, i-move na natin decimal place niya over 900 para meron kang integers. Okay, so if we check, itong 1,093, that's already prime number na yun, di ba? Or kung meron pa siya ibang factor, hindi siya divisible by wala silang common factors ng 900. So, the final answer for number 9 is, yan na, 1,093 over 900. Okay, so this one, correction on number 10, convert this one to decimal form. I-move lang natin 2 units to the, baliktad. Sorry. Kasi pati ako careless. I-move lang natin 2 units to your, sulat ko na lang, 0.24%. To get the decimal nito, what we will do is divide it by 100. Okay? Remove the decimal place 2 units to your left. Answer here would be 0.0024. Okay? May questions pa dito sa part A? Okay, wala naman. Now, let's move on to the next part. So, dito hahanapin lang natin what is asked and then, isa-solve din pala. So, for number 1, what is 12% of 350? Ang hinahanap dito would be percentage, right? Kasi part ng 350 hinahanap natin. How about number 2? 40% of what number? Of the base. Base yung hinahanap dito. Number 3. What percent? So, alam na natin, rate. Okay? What percent of 80 is 13. So, rate ang hinahanap. Number 4. 6 is 15% of what number? Of the base. Yun yung hinahanap natin. So, the same din. Sa number 5, 75 is 60% of what number? Base. Okay? So, solve natin isa-isa. For number 1, percentage is equal to rate times base. Okay? Sige, bago natin isolve lahat, recall P over R, B. Okay? So, P is equal to R times B. 12% dapat naka-decimal form, 0.12 times 350. If you multiply that, you should get, ano makuha natin dito? 125. Okay? How about number 2? 40% of what number is 25? So here, base is equal to P over R. Percentage is 25. Okay? Baka mapagbaliktad nyo guys, sa percentage is yung number, rate yung may percent. 40% in decimal, that's 0.4. Okay? So, para mapadali, gawin natin siyang 250 divided by 4. Minove ko lang yung decimal place dito Or in short, minultiply ko ito by 10. So, dapat kailangan ko i-multiply din na nasa taas by 10. 25 divided by 4, that's 6. 6 times 4, 24. 10 divided by 4, that's 2. Add 0. So, 20 divided by 4, that's 5. So, the answer here is 62.5. Okay? How about number 3? What percent of 80 is 13? To get the rate, you will divide the percentage by base. So, 13 over 80. Papakita ko pa ba yung long division? Try it on your own. The answer here should be 0.1625. But this is in decimal form, so multiply this by 100 to get yung percent. Okay, so 16.25%. Okay, how about number 4 and 5? So, erase ko muna lahat. Okay, number 4, meron tayong 6 and 15. Hinahanap natin ang base. Base is equal to percentage over rate. Percentage for number 4 is 6. Ang rate natin is 15% or 0.15. Okay? So, yung technique ko dito, minumove ko ng decimal places. So, this would become 600. Multiply lang yung numerator and denominator by 100 to over 15. Itong 60 mo is divisible by 15, right? So, this would become, ilang 15 meron sa 60? 4, 0, 40. So, the answer here is base is equal to 40. Okay, how about number 5? 75 over 60% or 0.6. So, if you divide or equal to 750 over 6, that's also equal to 375 over 3. Divide this one by 3, you will get 125. Okay? So, I'm assuming guys, marunong naman kayong mag-divide. So, marunong naman kayong gawin yung arithmetic nito. Answer for number 5 is 125. Okay. Okay, may mali ata ako. 42 po yung number 1. Mali ba? Ay, okay. Sinasabi niya lang. Okay, sorry guys, hindi ko nakikita yung chat box. Chine-check ko lang siya from time to time if you have questions. Okay. So, let's go here. Problem solving. Number 1, Peter is looking at new and used cars. He found a new car for 545,000. Typically, a used car goes for 73.3% of a new car. What would the price of a used car be? So, ang hinahanap natin dito would be percentage, right? Kasi, yung presyo ng used car is a fraction or a part of the price ng bagong car. So, here we will have percentage is equal to base times rate or rate times base. Pareho lang naman yun. So, 545,000 times 73.3 or in decimal, 0.773. If you multiply them, sige, papakita ko pa ba? You should get 399,485. Okay, that's for number 1. How about number 2? Teen has 5 dogs. If she has a total of 13 pets, what percent of these are dogs? So, hinahanap, excuse me. Okay, sorry. Hinahanap natin dito is rate. Rate is equal to percentage over base. So, 5 over 13. Let's divide 5 by 13. Add tayo ng 0. So, 0. Approximately may 3, 9, 39, 11, 110 divided by 13. Siguro may mga 8 or 7. Let's try 8. 8 times 13, 104. Subtract natin, 6. Let's add let's add another 0. 60 divided by 13, 4. 2, carry 1. 52, 8. Sige, last na lang to siguro. 80 divided by 13, that would be 6. And then, ang sagot, 6, 78. Sige, last na lang. If we subtract this 2, add another 0. 20 divided by 13, 1. Okay, sige. This is enough. So, the answer here is 0.38461. Convert natin to percent times 100. That's equal to That's equal to 38.46%. Okay, number 3. At a construction job for a house, there are 47 painters. May correction dito guys ha, 74.47. Sa na-post ata 6. Of these painters, 74.47% of them paint the interior of the house. How many painters are painting the interior of the house? Ang hinahanap natin dito is percentage. So, P is equal to base times rate, or 47 times 0.7447. Okay, if you multiply this to, I suggest guys, pag nag-multiply kayo nito, nasa taas yung, mas marami yung digits, okay? Para twice na lang kayo parang dalawang values na i-add nyo dito mamaya. If you multiply that, the answer would be 35.0009. Okay, so, ang tinatanong dito is how many painters. So, for example, sa exam nyo, kunwari lang, yung choices is A, 3.167, B, 3, C, 4, D, 3.2. Okay, anong sagot dito? The answer should be letter B. Mag-round down ka kapag mga tao yung binibilang, ha? So, here would be 35. 35 painters. So, kunwari, pag sa exam, huwag nyo isagot yung exact value, ha? Lalo na kung discrete dapat yung answer. So, number 3, the answer is 35. Number 4, there are 13 girls which makes up 52% of the class. How many girls are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? Sorry. We're looking for the base. So, B is equal to percentage over rate. 13 girls over 52% or 0.52. Okay? If you divide 13 by 0.52, 52, you should get 25. Okay, exact naman yung sagot dyan. So, answer here is there are 25 students. Number 5. A miner found a large metal bar that weighs 38 grams. He was able to determine that the bar has 27 grams of nickel. What percent of the weight of the bar is nickel? So, hinahanap natin dito is percent or rate. Rate is equal to percentage over base. Ano yung percentage dito? Etong 27 grams of nickel. Kasi part yan nung metal bar. 27 over 38. If you divide 27 by 38, you should get 0.7105, or in percent form, that's 71.05%. Number 6. A dress originally priced at 1,700 is on sale at 30% off. What is the sale price? Okay, so take note, sale price ang hinahanap. So may dalawa tayong method to solve this. May dalawa tayong ways to solve this. Let's try the first one muna. Okay, solution 1. Let's first get the discount. Okay, discount would be equal to discount rate times the original price. So, discount here would be 30%, so 0.3 times 1,700. Multiply natin 0, 0, 1, carry 2, 6, 8. So, ang discount natin dito would be 810, right? Okay? Ay, sorry. Mali. 5 pala. Tama ba? May mali ba ako sa pagmag... Yeah, correct. 510. Kasi 321. Okay, 510 yung discount. Since ito yung discount, ibabawas natin ito sa original na selling price. So, 17,000 minus 510, we will get 1,190. So, ito na yung bagong selling price, or in other words, ito na yung sale price. Alright? So, a shorter way or a parang mas straightforward na way would be by getting the sale price using this formula. So, sale price would be equal to the original price times 1 minus yung rate natin, which is 0.3 in this case. So, here we have 1,700 times 0.7. Kasi yung rate natin is 0.3. Okay, if you multiply this, ang makukuha would be 0.00911. May isa kang meron kang, sobra ako ng 0. Meron kang 1 decimal place. So, this is equal to 1,109. Okay, so, pwedeng, kung mas comfortable kayong gawin to, pwede itong gawin nyo, or pwede rin ito. Babawas nyo lang yung discount rate sa 1. Okay. May questions ba dito so far? So, answer here is 1,190. How about number 7? What is the selling price of a house if the realtor adds 6% markup? The house is originally being sold at 450,000. So, kung kanina nagbawas tayo, ngayon naman, i-add natin yung markup value. Okay? So, to get yung markup, multiply lang natin yung rate times original cost or original price. Okay? So, rate here is 0.06. 6% is equal to 0.06 times 450,000. Okay? If you multiply this, you should get 27,000. Okay, that's it. That's yung markup pala. So, we have to add this to the original cost or original selling price niya. So, to get the selling price, this is equal to the original cost plus markup. 450,000 plus 27,000. If you add this, ang makuha nating sagot would be 477,000. Okay? So, another way of solving this, yung mas direct, would be selling price is equal to original cost times 1 plus rate. Okay? Plus this time kasi may markup tayo. So, 450,000 times 1.06. So, dapat same ang makukuha ang sagot. 477,000. So, subukan nyo parehong method at tingnan nyo kung saan yung mas madali for you. Okay. Last one. My dad is into the buy and sell business. He bought a Toyota Altis 2005 for 750,000 and plans to sell it at 25% profit. How much is his profit if the buyer asked for 15% discount? So, una, identify muna natin yung selling price niya bago natin kunin yung discounted or sale price. Okay, so the selling price here, gamitin natin yung shortcut na method. Selling price would be equal to the original times 1 plus rate. Okay, kasi meron kang 25% na profit or markup. So, this is equal to 750,000 times 25% or 0.25. So, this should be equal to 937,500. Okay? Pero ito pala yung selling price niya. Ano naman yung naging sale price niya? Kasi after niya dagdagan for profit, yung buyer nag-ask for 15% discount. So, sale price would be this selling price, 937,500 times 0.15. Okay, so be careful kung anong gagamitin yung rate. So, if you multiply this to, the answer would be 15% of, may kulang akong ginawa. So, since nag-shortcut pala tayo, 1 minus 0.15. 15. Okay, 1 minus the rate. Kasi this time, may discount. Ito, markup. Ito, discount. So, pag minus dito, we have 937,500 times 0.85. The answer here should be 468,750 plus, solution ko pala to. Hindi ko na isasama. Okay, if you multiply this 2, you should get 796,875. So, one way to check is dapat medyo mas malaki to kaysa sa original price kasi dapat may profit siya. Okay? So, here, how do you get the profit? Profit yung tinatanong. Sale price minus the original cost. So, 796,875 minus 750,000. Ang sagot dito would be 46,875. Okay? Alright? That's it for our worksheet 2. Let's start at 11:30 for our worksheet number 3. Okay, do you have questions? Wala naman ata. Okay, may mali ata ako sa na-solve ko. Balikan natin. 0.38. Saan to, guys? Okay, tama naman. 0.38.42639. Okay, good. Sorry guys, hindi ko nakikita to chat agad. Pero binabalikan ko naman and I don't think may mga questions kayo. So these are the answers for your worksheet 2. Thank you guys for listening.